The peak end rule is a fundamental psychological principle that reveals how our minds actually process and remember experiences. This concept is crucial for understanding customer experience in today's business world. Instead of averaging every single moment of an experience, our brains use a mental shortcut. We judge experiences largely based on just two key moments: the most intense point, called the peak, and the final moment, called the end. This graph illustrates how a customer's emotional journey unfolds over time. Notice how the experience has many ups and downs, but our memory focuses primarily on the highest emotional point and how the experience concluded. This psychological heuristic exists because our brains are designed for efficiency, not accuracy. We use mental shortcuts called heuristics to process the overwhelming amount of information we encounter daily. In customer experience, this means that customers won't remember every detail of their interaction with your brand. They won't recall the average wait time, the standard responses, or routine procedures. Here's a real customer journey that demonstrates this principle. Notice how the experience has multiple touch points, but the peak moments and ending are what truly shape the customer's overall perception and memory. Consider this practical example. A customer calls support and waits longer than usual. However, the agent resolves their complex issue exceptionally well. That's the positive peak. Then the agent ends with a sincere thank you and offers future assistance. That's the positive end. In today's customer-centric world, where expectations evolve rapidly and competition is fierce, understanding and leveraging the peak end rule has become more critical than ever for building brand loyalty and retaining customers. To effectively leverage the peak end rule, businesses must implement several key strategies. The first strategy is to identify peak moments in your customer journey. These are the points that evoke the strongest emotions, whether positive or negative. The second strategy focuses on enhancing positive peaks by making them even more memorable. This can be achieved through personalization, unexpected rewards, or creating moments of surprise and delight that exceed customer expectations. Strategy 3 emphasizes ensuring positive endings to every customer interaction. The final moment of any experience heavily influences how customers remember the entire journey, so ending on a high note is crucial for lasting positive impressions. The fourth strategy involves minimizing negative peaks by proactively addressing pain points and resolving issues quickly and efficiently. By identifying and eliminating sources of frustration, businesses can prevent negative experiences from overshadowing positive ones. Let's examine how IKEA successfully implements these strategies. IKEA uses carefully designed store layouts to create a customer journey filled with memorable moments. Their showroom setup guides customers through various room displays, creating emotional peaks as customers envision their ideal living spaces. Delta Airlines provides another excellent example by redesigning their baggage claim experience. They moved luggage carousels farther from arrival gates, giving passengers time to mentally transition and reducing the anxiety associated with waiting for luggage, transforming a typically negative ending into a more positive one. Personalization is a crucial element that runs through all these strategies. By using customer data to tailor interactions and create unique, valued experiences, businesses can make both peak moments and endings more meaningful and memorable for each individual customer. Finally, gathering feedback after key experiences serves a dual purpose. It reinforces positive memories by having customers reflect on good experiences while also identifying areas for improvement to enhance future peak moments and endings. As Maya Angelou wisely said, "People will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel." This perfectly captures the essence of the peak end rule and why focusing on emotional moments is so crucial for customer experience success. By implementing these strategies, identifying peak moments, enhancing positive experiences, ensuring positive endings, minimizing negative peaks, personalizing interactions, and gathering strategic feedback, businesses can create stronger emotional connections with their customers, leading to increased loyalty and satisfaction.